Top news as of December 29th, 2025. As of December 29th, 2025, the global landscape is dominated by high-stakes diplomacy in Florida, a record-breaking year-end for financial markets, and massive consolidation in the semiconductor industry. World: high-stakes diplomacy and geopolitical shifts. Trump-Zelensky meeting in Florida. President-elect Donald Trump is hosting Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky at Mar-a-Lago this weekend. The discussions are centered on security guarantees and Zelensky's potential openness to a free economic zone in eastern Ukraine to end the conflict. Israel recognizes Somaliland. In a historic and controversial move, Israel has become the first nation to recognize Somaliland as an independent state. This has triggered a naked invasion claim from Somalia, which considers the territory its own, sparking emergency sessions in the Somali parliament. China sanctions U.S. defense firms. Following a $10 billion U.S. arms sale to Taiwan, Beijing has sanctioned 20 American defense companies and 10 executives, further straining the relationship between the world's two largest superpowers.
Economy, inflation cooling and resource scarcity. Global inflation outlook. The IMF reports that global headline inflation is projected to fall to 4.4% for 2025, a significant drop from previous years. This cooling is allowing central banks like the Federal Reserve to signal potential pauses in interest rate hikes. Gold at record highs, driven by a decline in consumer confidence and continued money supply expansion, gold prices have surged past $4,500 per ounce. Investors are flocking to tangible assets as the U.S. M2 money supply reaches a record $22.5 trillion. Housing market stagnation. New data shows U.S. pending home sales remaining nearly flat, 0.7% forecast, as high prices continue to offset the benefits of cooling inflation.
Finance, the AI digital advisor, and market rallies. Equities extension. Global markets are ending the year on a strong note. The S&P 500 has risen over 65% since late 2022, while the Nasdaq has surged 120%, fueled almost entirely by the AI boom. Vanguard's big AI bet. Vanguard CIO announced a massive shift in strategy, investing heavily in AI digital advisors to automate personalized wealth management for the coming year. CFOs reimagined. Financial leaders are reporting that AI is no longer just a tool for bookkeeping but is now being used for predictive leadership and real-time risk assessment, transforming the role of the CFO into a tech-centric position.
Technology. The $20 billion NVIDIA Grok deal. NVIDIA's strategic licensing. NVIDIA has signed a massive $20 billion licensing deal with AI chip startup Grok. Rather than a full acquisition, 90% of Grok's workforce, including the founder, will join NVIDIA to focus on high-performance inference technology, while Grok remains an independent entity. Samsung CES 2026 preview. Ahead of the new year, Samsung has teased a standalone AI ecosystem, Hall for CES. They are set to unveil AI Vision powered by Google Gemini, and a new line of 6K 3D gaming monitors. Quantum computing surge. Funding for quantum startups increased by 15% this month alone, as the race for post-classical encryption heats up among global financial institutions.